In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calculated table in Power BI. First, open Power BI Desktop and load the report where you want to build the new table. We'll start by switching to table view so we can clearly see our data. On the far left vertical bar, look for the icon that looks like a small grid or table and click it. This view lets you validate rows and columns easily, which is perfect for creating and checking calculated tables. Next, go to the Table Tools tab at the top of the window. If it's already selected, great. Click New Table. This opens the formula bar where we'll define the table using DAX. Think of a calculated table as a table that Power BI builds for you based on a formula. It refreshes with your model and can be used just like any other table in visuals, relationships, and filters. You have two options depending on your goal. If you want a summarized view of total sales by region, paste this: region sales summary equals summarize. Table name, region, total sales, SUM, table name, sales. This creates a tidy table with one row per region and a total sales column. It's ideal for quick roll-ups and cleaner visuals. If you'd rather list only the orders above a certain threshold for focused analysis, use this: high-value orders equals filter. Table name, sales, 500. This version returns a filtered set of rows from your existing table, keeping the same columns, but only for sales greater than 500. In either case, be sure to replace table name with the exact name of your table in the fields pane, and make sure the column names like region and sales match your data model exactly. After pasting the formula, press enter to let Power BI create the table. Now verify it in the data pane on the right. You should see your new table appear in the list. Click it to preview the rows in table view. For the summary version, you'll see region and total sales. For the filtered version, you'll see only high-value records. If something looks off, check spelling, capitalization, and that your table and column names are correct. Quick tip: calculated tables are computed when the model refreshes, so they won't change based on slices at report runtime. If you need dynamic behavior driven by slices, consider measures instead. That's it. Your calculated table is ready to use in visuals, relationships, and filters. Thanks for watching.